takban sa ano? Pag sa may kawayan.
At sa akin pagka
Mas mat...
sa kasi kukuha daw sa kanya. Eh bakit hindi na pinili?
Hindi sa traffic.
Sabi niya automatic. Lang niya, pwede mo na itaas yung paa ko habang nagmamaneho. Ay, sabi ko ganyan ginagawa ako para marinat. Pagka mag-vlog ka, turuan na kita.
Wow! Wow! From expert. Ayan, gusto ko.
Naniniwala ako nga.
From
meron na akong
expert.
admin.
Yes.
Sabay admin.
Number of followers na yun. No? Si Algar Pinay.
Actually, I'm shocked there. Because it turns out, look good at me.
You look like a Korean.
Yeah, I knew it. That's my inspiration. Korean look.
You look so pretty on you.
Thank you.
Yung any song, you like.
Promise.
That is internet
Oh, bababa daw sa bahay mo.
Okay.
Okay daw.
Show your voice, ha?
Show your voice. Show your voice.
Come.
Where?
Aabutan mo ka ng pagkain na ganyan.
Oh, lalapit yan pag binigyan nyo ng pagkain.
Ito, may potato rito. Potato. Ano? Ate Allen, hagisan mo.
Ito.
Durugin mo. Ano, kayo niya.
Ayan wala, i-pinch mo lang ta. Yan. And then slide it.
Pagkain, bibigay ko dyan.
Ito, price.
Bigay mo sa Ira.
This one, Lauren.
Dito kami sa lagi.
Ayun. This one, can you...
Yan ang pagkain.
Pagkain.
Hagisan nyo, huwag muna ano sa kamay. Baka...
Taray ng pagkain, Jollibee.
Naka-Jollibee sila. Hindi nabigyan yung iba.
Nandito ko na dyan sila. Bye-bye.
Dami. Sila na sila.
Buda, wala daw tinanggal.
Siya naman, wala naman pa din ang kabilang ano. Tapos, walang kabila. Ito lang siya. Wala naman
Wala akong...
Yeah!
Guys, meron pa akong online class.
Student, pero...
Gala.
yung gusto mong gumala pero may responsibilities ka. It's so fancy, guys. Look at that. Ta. Vlog.
Vlog ka o ako tayo?
Sige, mag-vlogan tayo. Vlog.
O, labanan.
Guys, look. It's so nice. It's so fancy. This is the full area and I don't know where the beach is. So later na lang.
Mamit yung planeta ni Piccolo.
Yan. Here they are.
Dominic.
Featuring online class. Meron pang worship yan. Worship yung ano, ang hapon. kahapon.
Ito lang, may dagat lang dito.
This is the shuttle.
sasakyan natin ay papunta na doon.
Oo. Parang yung swimming parang binabiyahe.
There's the beach. I don't think so. Sa likod. Did you find it?
Dapat pala dati pag magbubook ka, tatanungin mo. Kompleto na ba accessories, lahat?
Pati mga...
Ay, kasi
May
nagdadala
rice
pa tayo,
cooker
may
din
rice
sila.
cooker, may ano. Ayan, katulad niyan.
Ha? So nice.
Maliit lang siya.
Let me see the balcony, the view of the balcony. Our view is so so many tree. Oh, you're star of the vlog ka, ah. You're the star of the vlog, ah.
Dati pa ano yun?
Honor mo. Uy, may mabasag kayo dyan.
Huwag mo lalagay yan sa video, kawawa ako. Your brother is abusing me.
He's not. He's ready to be abused.
Muna tayo. So guys,
Up tayo. Uy, dapat nga aesthetic tayo eh. Demure. Where's some demure, guys?
We're going up now.
And the elevator is so tagal. Oh, here we are.
to Dong House.
Heading to our room. Oh, what was that?
Just the sounds.
We're here.
We're here to another room. Up. Wait lang.
Uy, bawal to.
Bawal nga eh, kaya nga nakataka ko.
Welcome to our Do you want the house tour?
Let's go!
Second tour.
First, here's the ano. Can you tour us? Hero.
So first we have the first bathroom. So after you swim, we go here.
Here. It's so big. And
And this is the shower. Oh, there's a
shower.
free.
Oh!
There is a free
Body wash.
Yeah, body wash and shampoo. So
Yes.
next is
Here.
we're heading to
Room.
the room. That's our tita. This is my
Tita. Pretty.
Orange.
Tita pretty.
Also, this is the room that we have. So
Let's turn on the light.
there's no light now
Oh.
because
It's
it's
all.
over. So we have a big mirror here, so we can do our fit check. And then we have 3 beds
Here.
here.
And we're gonna sleep here.
Yeah, and then
The
after
two of
that,
us, we're gonna sleep here. Then,
after that, we have a 3 mattress, extra
oh,
mattress.
okay.
And then after that, we're gonna go to the CR, another CR, and it's
That connected
the
to
room.
another
So
room.
here
Here's the bathroom.
and also there. Oh, it's so aesthetic. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead here. It's
To
connected also
another
to the
room, master bedroom, and it's so big. It's queen size.
Oh, that's Nanay. Nanay is
Let's go
already
to Nanay.
So here
Oh, there's another mirror here.
we
Oh,
have a balcony here. Nanay.
here's our Nanay.
Say hi to
Say hi to our vlog.
Hi!
She's drinking coffee.
And then, after
Dito kami
What?
sa bundok. Grabe naman itong ano
It's so
natin.
nice, guys. So a lot of trees. And we're going back to...
after that, so we're gonna go.
Hey, oh, there's another mirror. Another mirror.
And we're gonna go to the kitchen.
Kitchen area. Okay.
So, of course, oh, we have the dispenser, water dispenser.
And then,
Here we have the cooking area.
okay.
We have the fridge.
Fridge.
Also the oven. Is that open or?
Yeah, is it? No, it's a microwave. Look here. The living room. Ay,
We have
eto
the
muna
mesa
pala.
here. And then that's the living room.
This is, what do you call this?
It's a
Um,
bar and a room.
Ang ganda ng view, guys.
Ano gawa mo dyan?
Ang ganda ng view kasi. Look at here. Tatalon siya, guys.
Tignan mo, pwede kang magkapit bahay dito. Kasi ito.
Akyat bahay, mga kapit bahay.
Ay, makakat ka.
Mamaya papakita ko sa kanila yung view.
Ay,
Masarap sa
online
mata.
class pa ako.
Look at the view. You do?
Parang duda ako na may nakatira dito. I mean, meron, pero
Pero,
parang
oo.
guest house lang, no?
Oo. Piling ko nga mga foreigner lang dito. eh.
Ah, titira ka sa gantong lugar, tapos yung paligid mo, liblib.
Tapos lahat ng galaw mo may bayad. Like, hell no.
Super pretty. Tara, let's go. Kunyari daw nasa. Oh my God, sobrang ganda. Guys, pag dito kayo ikakasal, papayag ba kayo? Yung prenup nyo. 1, 2, 3 montage. Ka lang sa ganun, tapos gawin natin yung ano, watch me, ano yun? Yung, ano yun? Ayun. Wala, ganyan ka lang, ganyan tingin ka lang. Kaya, lalapit ako ha. Oh, kunyari may madaming tao. Ah! Ang cinematic, grabe. Wow! Uy, gagi, ang ganda, te.
Ayun na pa sunset na dito.
Guys, magpipicture kasi kami. Kaso nandun yung sunset, buisit.
Look, guys. Oh, ingat. Look
Ah!
at the,
Sarap.
the fish.
Grabe, kitang-kita, oh. Kitang-kita.
Kita?
Hindi. Guys,
Pero transparent yung yung fish. Kaya hindi. Ayan, look.
tingnan mo, may koi fish siya. Ito si Tito, oh, makulit, oh. You say hi, vlog. Oh, this is my, bully.
What?
You're a bully to me. You bully me. Are you proud?
No. Tilapia naman.
Don't be mean to Ate Ira.
That one.
Ayun pa.
See, too many, oh.
Hindi kita yung...
Guys, moment nila yan. Diyan, look. Wow. Ito may slow mo eh. Okay, ikaw naman.
Oh my god, it is golden hour dad.
Yeah. Eh, ang ganda. I heard 5K daw yung ano, yung jet
Dito
ski.
sabi kay pakita mo kay nanay ko. Kasi naghahanap, niloloko ko lang daw siya.
Dapat nandiyan yun.
Oh, ala! Guys, it's golden hour! Hello, it looks so nice, oh!
Bakit?
Ang ganda!
Bakit? May luneta pala dito. Stand. Anong vlog? Hello, vlog!
Hello, vlog!
Like and share. Hello, vlog! Hello, vlog! Hello, vlog! Para ma-like and share daw.
Like and share. Yes! Subscribe na, subscribe.
Subscribe, like and share.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Parang bell.
Pwede, pwede. This is how you hold a tall, right? Tall guy. No! Sira ulo to. Tinataas yung mata. Kitang-kita, oh. Abusive.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna
I
see
don't know what
this
she's
when
talking
you...
about.
You're gonna see this when... You're gonna see
No.
what you're doing to me
No.
when you're, when you get older.
Tama yun, tama.
You're abusive, ah. Look, show your teeth because you have a vampire teeth. Like that one. Yeah.
You noticed that.
Ganda lang. Eh, ganito mag-walking pag ang liit ng kasama mo. Tapos dito, Diyos ko, de. Hindi na nasasagip ng tao. Kaya, you're here, Gian. So you can be seen. Here, Gian. Yeah, like that. Walking with us. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna walk. Oh, maybe later. Later at midnight? Maybe not. No, Ashley's good. Pretty little baby. You know that song?
Yeah.
Oh, how did you know that? Internet. Pretty little baby. I love you. Can you sing it with Ate Ara? So little baby, I'm into now. You have a wrong lyrics. Oh, there's a shop here. We're going to to go to the shuttle. Do you know that song? So nice. Kayo muna. Mga magkakapatid. Guys, we're here at bowling area and we're gonna do the bowling. And I miss the bowling, guys. Back then, ito yung pinili natin. And this
Under stars
are so tired because of the contacts.
This is for our first day.
Yeah.
We enjoy bowling.
We're heading into our condo unit na. We're going out kasi I'm so tired na din. Like, ilang rounds kasi kami naglaro ng bowling. And it's so nice to walk here. Like, it's so refreshing.
The next day.
Hi guys. Arte talaga. Sana mainis. Yung mga nakakartan sa akin.
Paano tayo ilagay?
Freezer. Sa inner mo, pwede kang ito na lang. Twinnie! Twinnie! Hi guys! We're heading to Beach Club. Kasi magpipicture na kami.
I'm with Madam. Yung Madam na
Madam Damin.
Oo, Madam Damin kasi iyakin yan.
Leche. Parang madre dito be.
Parang ang bait-bait pero naka-red. Red swimsuit. Yung sa ano? Yung sa father. Ano ba yun?
Nakalagay meme nun eh. May meme kasi yun.
Oo. Yung biglang, ano yun, biniblush siya. Tapos kulay red yung ano niya.
So we're here na sa beach and we're waiting for... Oh my god, that is not me. We're waiting for the sunset. Look. Hindi pa siya...
Another face shop, guys.
Hindi, yung cute. Look guys, yung eye makeup ko natatakpan. Ang ganda talaga, be. Like, giving kaming dalawa. Twinnie po kami, guys. Sasayaw po kami sa Hawaii. Magkaroon na magkaroon. That's cute. Kyopta.
Great minding. Like,
Photoshoot wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I've been staring at net. Hindi siya nagpo-focus, guys. But, yeah. It's a wrap. Maybe, Lu, sino siya dyan?
Hindi namin alam kung nasan sila. Kasi kumain sila, hindi kami kasama.
Hindi kami sumama.
Kasi ayaw namin. Kasi ayaw namin, mas importante
Yung sunset.
And look what it made.
It's a wrap. We got a lot of
Alam niyo ba kung
good
bakit
photos.
sinabi namin mas importante? Tignan mo naman, oh.
Oh.
Bukas wala na yan.
Wala na kami dito.
Kumbaga, nasa ibang Pilipinas na kami. Ano kami ngayon? Mag-billiards naman.
Diba? Hindi kami nauubusan ng activities ngayon.
Kasi,
Kaya pagod na pagod ako. Like, sobrang
Tama
productive.
yan, tignan mo.
Sobrang productive namin. Ganito pala sa province. Bilisan natin, guys.
The next day.
Ano yung waki?
Parehong Waki. Yung asawa mo. Ay, hindi kilala ko si Waki, yung bakla na sa amin eh.
Ano raw waki, yung bakla raw.
Di ba si Waki?
Pareho kayo ni Kuya Bong ng Waki ha.
Kaya na dito, ilagay na lang yung timer.
Kaya sa ko yung Waki. Hindi, oy, may nagsisinyas.
Oh.
Pati kami ni nanay sumunod sa Army Navy. Kuya, pwede pa pala.
eating time.
Dalawang daan mahigit lang eh. Ang 1 kilo ng baboy eh. Bagong katay pa.